Okay, so today we have to start from, this one we were completed. So today we have to start from types of propensity to save, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's just start. So you just have to relate everything with the previous thing. Okay, so now the thing is types of propensity to save. There we did types of propensity to consume. It was APC here. It will be APS and MPS. Okay. So first thing is, ma'am, average propensity to save, and next is marginal propensity to save. So first, what is average propensity to save? The ratio of aggregate savings to aggregate income is known as average propensity to save. How you are going to get it? By dividing aggregate saving by aggregate income, you are going to get APS. So it is simply S divided by Y. There for APC, it was C divided by Y, but here it is S divided by Y. Okay. Now coming to the schedule, over here you will find it out on your own. Okay, clear? So here you have income, consumption and saving. This is the formula. You'll just put the formula like saving divided by your income, and first one is infinity, and then saving divided by your income, then again saving divided by income, you will get this. Okay, and based on this, like you will be taking income and savings, you will be drawing this shape, this graph. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, you will write types of propensity to save, and there itself just mark it like this, APS and MPS, and then write A, average propensity, then the definition, then I'll scroll it down. So you will draw the schedule.
Done, ma'am.
Done, guys?
Done, ma'am.
Halima, done?
Done.
So you can check your answer. You got the same answer? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you will quickly draw this graph. Okay. So over graph, you just have to use income on x-axis. This is your income, and this y-axis you are going to take savings. Okay. Is it fine? I think you can draw it. You will start it from here itself. First, you can see for 0, it is minus 50. So for 0, it is minus 50 here. Then for 50, it is minus 25. So for 50, 50 will lie here. It is minus 25. Then for 100, it is 0. So for 100, it is 0. For 200, it is 50. For 200, it is 50. Like this, you'll carry on. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Halima, you are also done?
I'm doing the graph part.
Sorry?
Graph I'm doing.
Okay, okay, okay. Draw it, draw it. Okay,
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Done.
Oh. Now we are going to write few points about APS. Okay. So first point is APS can never be 1 or more than 1. You can see your answer. You didn't get 1 or any value which is more than 1. Right? So APS can never be 1 or more than 1. Now the question is why? So because your savings can never be equals to or more than national income. Right? So that's why you can say that your APS cannot be 1 or more than 1. Second, your APS can be 0. So you can see your APS can be 0. And when it is 0, when your income is equals to your consumption. Right? So your APS can be 0 when income is equals to consumption. That is your savings are 0 at that time. At the time your savings are 0. Right? This point is known as break-even point. Okay. Next is your APS can be negative or less than 1. You can see it is negative here and it is less than 1 here. Right? So this can be the thing at income levels with the lower, your APS can be negative when your income is less than or income is lower, like before the break-even point. Before the break-even point, your APS can be negative, and after that, APS can be negative as there will be dis-savings of the economy. Then APS rises with increase in income. You can see as your income is increasing, your APS is also increasing from 0 to 0.25, then 0.35, 0.37, then 0.4, right? And the last point, APS rises with increase in income because the proportion of income saved keeps on increasing. See, earlier, for example, your income was 200, you were consuming 50, you were saving only 50. But now you are earning 300, you are saving 20, but you are saving 100. Right? Why? Because, for example, you can eat 6 chapati. So with increase in income, you cannot eat 10 chapati, right? You have limited space in your stomach, right? So with the extra money, which because your income keeps on increasing, but of course your capacity cannot increase, right? So that extra money which you will be keeping, that you will be saving. So that's why it keeps on increasing. Clear all the points?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will write hashtag important points for APC and the 5.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, both of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Halima, you are also done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the next thing is marginal propensity to save. Okay, it is nothing, it is same as APA, APC, but the only difference is it is here is saving. So the ratio of change in savings, delta S, to the change in income is called MPS, and it is the proportion of income saved out of additional income. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly write.
Done, ma'am. Done.
Good. Now we'll be drawing the schedule for it. Okay. So this is your schedule. First of all, I'll just wait a minute. The answer, but still, right? This is your income. This is your savings. So first of all, you will find out delta S and delta Y. Okay. So how you know this? First one will be dash and dash. Second one, 50 and 25, 25, 25 to 0, 25, 0 to 50, 50, 50 to 100, 50, 100 to 150, 50. And for income, first one will be dash, 0 to 50, it's 50, 50 to 100, it's 50, 100 to 200, 100, 200 to 300, 100, like this, here this, and then you will find out this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, Halima, you are also done?
Doing MPC, MPS.
Okay, do it and let me know.
Okay. Done, ma'am.
Oh, so I hope you got the answer 0.5. Yes.
Same
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now you will be drawing the graph. Okay. So here you can see you have negative. So you will be drawing income and saving. These two. Okay. So you have the saving negative one. So quickly you can draw it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Halima, you are also done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Now we will be writing few points about MPS. Okay. So properties of MPS. First is your MPS varies between 0 to 1. So you can see over here, it is somewhere between 0 to 1. Okay, in between 0 to 1. You cannot say 0 or 1, but in between 0 to 1. Your MPS will be equals to 0 if your entire additional income is being consumed. Okay, and your MPS will be equals to 1 if your entire income is saved. Okay, and remember one thing, MPS can never be greater than 1 because your change in saving cannot be greater than change in income, right? So these are the few points about your MPS. Quickly write it.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Okay. Now the difference between APS and MPS. Last one. Okay. So it is the ratio of total saving to the corresponding total income, and it is the ratio of change in savings to the change in income of an economy. Right? Then this is the formula and this is the formula. APS, you have to remember very important point of time and here period of time. APS is represented at a point on the saving curve, and MPS is measured at the point on saving curve with respect to the previous point. Okay. And APS can be negative at zero level of income and when your consumption is more than your income. But MPS can never be negative as change in consumption can never be more than change in income. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Okay. So here we are done with your this concept. Okay. In the next class, we'll be starting with the new concept. I think after this, what's the new concept? I didn't remember, but yeah, of course, a new topic. We are almost done with this portion. I think after this, we will be starting something relationship between the aggregate supply and all, right?
Uh,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So Sanya, you were asking me few questions. You can ask me now. You were asking me about the K part, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the basically for K part, you just have to remember few formulas. Okay. This is change in income and change in investment, right? The first formula, okay, right? And
Yes.
similarly, you will get one more formula, which is like K equals to 1 divided by 1 minus MPC. Okay, so in
Yeah.
case MPC is given, you can use this formula. But in case your income and investment are given, so you can use this formula.
Yes, ma'am. So
Okay.
1 minus MPC is MPS, right?
Yes, you can even write it like this, MPS.
Okay.
Okay. So in case income, change in income and change in investment is given, so you can use this. But in case it's not given, like income and all that, they have already given you about MPC itself, right? So
Okay,
you can
ma'am.
use this one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other query?
Ma'am, ma'am, can you send the notes
Ma'am,
of
what is K here?
limitation,
A limitation of what?
GDP and welfare?
It's not there
Ma'am, you
in
have
that.
sent. Okay, no, I didn't
Yeah,
check, ma'am.
yeah. Just check it. I think I have shared you 2 PDFs and one like today I shared like I asked your counselor to share the notes of Halima for
Yes,
quantitative
ma'am.
and qualitative, but 2 PDFs I have shared. So one for
Yes,
national
ma'am.
income. So just check it. I think there like it's a part.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, but in case if, like it's not there, you can just text me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
Halima, you were
K
saying
here?
something. Yes, Halima.
What is K here?
Sorry, Halima.
What does K stands for?
K, okay. K is basically investment multiplier it is. So we will be doing after this chapter, we'll be doing this. Actually, we
Okay.
haven't covered this K right now.
That
Yeah.
was credit multiplier we did like
Yeah,
adding
we did money
adding.
multiplier, right?
Yes,
But
money.
this is different. This is investment multiplier something.
Investment.
Yeah. Okay, so no need to worry about it.
Okay.
We'll be doing it. Okay. And you
Okay.
already know, Sana, you already know how to find out MPS, right? You have the formulas.
Yes, ma'am.
You already know how to find MPC, so no need to worry about it. Just remember these 2 formula. Wherever you are getting it, either these entries will be given or this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So girls, now what you will be doing? Like APC consumption part is clear. So today we completed your saving part as well. So quickly from saving function, quickly give it a reading and let me know if anything is not clear to you. Okay? From saving function.
Okay.
Okay? Saving functions, then we did a propensity to save, schedule and table. Then we did types of propensity to consume, 2 part APC, APS and MPS. So quickly.
Ma'am, yesterday I asked about the revenue budget and capital budget, right?
Okay. I think I forgot to share that. Okay. I'm just sharing it. Okay. So
Okay,
bye.
ma'am.
Done.
Done, ma'am.